Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can download TikTok Effect House. So the first step you simply need to do is to search on any browser TikTok Effect House, and here you can see download and TikTok Effect House option. You simply need to click on the first website. Okay, and here you can see download Effect House. Click on that, and here you need to enter your email address and click on sign up, and then you need to open your mail address and check that you will receive a notification. Here you can see that create vibrant air effects for TikTok. Download TikTok Effect House. So you simply need to click on that and it will start downloading. And here you need to click on download for Windows. And now in few seconds here you can see that and click on start downloading. So now it is downloading. So this is the process by which you can download TikTok Effect House. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.